Continuing on our series on dryer repair, I've got a customer's order here that's it's a Metro Air Force Master Blaster. Came in, the notes that they gave us is that it stopped working. This is a variable speed unit, so we've got our two controls. And so this is a rear motor. Our first opportunity of checking it out, it really sounds pretty normal and natural. We can see this front motor, that it really has a lot of wear in the commutator, very deep wear. And you can see how tall the shoulders are of that copper, and really burnt down in there. But anyway, when I turn that front motor on, we're going to see some pretty strong reaction. The idea that it stopped working. And so one of the options we have with this would be to clean the commutator and see if there's anything out of round, or if there's just buildup down in there as deep as it is, and see if we couldn't get it to work better. Before we do that, I will check to see if there is carbon left for the carbon brushes, so that it does have pressure up into the commutator. Then we could do a cleaning step. With this dryer, the motor has two metal brackets, one down here and one on the top with bolts in them. That's what holds the motor down into its seal, so we can work on it a little bit. Starting back in, we have now removed the motor from the front of the dryer. You can see the two brackets that had the bolts in them. The motor is mounted into our little holding jig, so we're not hanging on to it. And we can go ahead and turn that motor on. I'm going to go ahead and grab one of our cleaning sticks. So this is just a brush seating stick. We use one from Wolf Industries. It's really what they designed for dressing their diamond wheels, but it works really well for here. Bring this up to speed. Motor noise. Now, if you notice, we cleaned up a lot of the sparking that's going on with that motor just by cleaning up the commutator, getting it more evened out. But if you notice that on this one side especially, we were still getting a lot of kickoff of the sparks from the brushes. What we're going to assume with the amount of wear this motor has, and you can see the deep dish that commutator has in it, a lot of wear. You can see how rounded each segment is into the gaps. But we really have a worn out motor. We're getting internal shorting at some level, and so we recommended to the customer that we replace the motor, and they were good with it. And so we're going to go ahead and snip these wires and transfer to a brand new motor. Here we are, guys. We're one more step further in. So we've got our new motor put in place. We've moved the brackets over from the old motor into here, so they're all set. Inside this dryer, you can see there's a rubber gasket that is down in here. Well, that's what our motor is going to seat into. To me, it's usually easier to put that down in the hole first compared to putting it on the motor and trying to slide it down. We've got our two wires that we're going to reconnect to the motor leads, and so we'll get a crimp connector and get those put together. Then we'll be ready to slide the motor in. Just like that, we've got our wires connected. We used a crimp tool and these crimp connectors to bring us together. And you can see down in there. Now I'm going to take and go ahead and spray a little bit of, first notice that we're unplugged. The cord is down on the floor. And I'm going to go ahead and spray some soap down around that gasket. And that'll allow my metal bell housing to slip in much easier when I go to put this back together. Slide it down in. Once we get down to that gasket, get my tabs lined up.
That's exactly what that
pretty
will
close.
do. Yeah, fine, we'll take them right down to the skin. So
we have the motor resecured. We've got our lines connected. Our bolts are in to hold the motor in place. You can see those two. And we're ready to test fire this new motor just to double check that everything's good. We've got our variable speed back here. We'll go ahead and turn it on. Runs up and down really great, and the dryer repair is done other than putting the caps back on. All right, very good.